Looking to spice up your usual meal routine? We've got not one but two quick and fiery Indo-Chinese recipes that will take your taste buds on a delicious joyride. First up is a saucy, street-style Chinese veg pasta, and then the old-time party favorite, crispy Shanghai potatoes. So let's get started with the Chinese style veg pasta. Start by heating a little oil in a pan, toss in some chopped onions and saute till golden. Now add your colorful veggies like carrots and capsicum. Let them cook for 2 to 3 minutes while staying crunchy. Now comes the flavor bomb. Soy sauce, red chili sauce, ketchup and a pinch of salt. Stir it all in. Now time for the macaroni to join the party. Add parboiled macaroni, mix it well so that it soaks up all that saucy goodness. Now cook for another 5 to 6 minutes and you're done. Serve hot and slurped away. This Chinese style veg pasta is pure comfort with a spicy kick. Now next up is the ultimate Indo-Chinese snack, crispy Shanghai potatoes. Start by cutting potatoes into thick fries and coat them well in corn flour. Now fry till they're crisp, golden and irresistible. Now in a fresh pan, saute garlic, onions and green chilies till aromatic. Now add Szechuan sauce, chili sauce and a dash of sugar, salt and chopped coriander. Mix it all up. Now pour in your corn flour slurry and chopped celery. Stir till it thickens slightly. Now toast those crispy fries into the hot sauce. Coat them well. Every bite should pack a punch. Now garnish with fresh celery and serve hot. Sticky, spicy and totally addictive. Now there you go. 2 bold and brilliant Indo-Chinese recipes ready in no time. Perfect for weekend cravings, house parties or just when you're bored of the usual. If you've enjoyed these recipes, don't forget to like, share and drop a comment.